Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. This is our second monthly giveaway video that we're setting up for here, and I'm going to be showing you the colors that we've got this month. We are going to be doing a monthly giveaway for our group, for our channel, and it won't always be wool, but last month it was an exciting giveaway, and a lot of people were interested in the wool, so I thought let's do wool again this month. Next month we'll see, it'll be different things at different times. But this month the idea was to do something that reflected the 4th of July. Fireworks is kind of a bad word right now, but firework colors, really bright colors. So last month it was a bit more subdued. They were more sort of candy pastel colors. This month we've got full on summer bright colors. So we're giving away a bundle of 12 pieces of wool that are 6 by 8 each. So this is like a dozen charm pack of wool to play with, not cut, just the sheets that are 6 by 8. And these are going to be the colors for this month. So I'm just going to walk you through them because some of them look similar or different in different lights, and they are all very different from each other. So what we've got here at the bottom is a dark purple, like a electric kind of purple, and a turquoise, more like an ocean blue, and then a lighter purple that looks similar, but it's a very different tone than the top one. Will match it real well. A lime green, a really bright light carnation pink, a seafoam green, a sunflower yellow, a sort of, I want to say candy cane pink, and a darker version of the same with more modeling. And then we've got a bright orange, not a harvesty orange, but a bright orange. And then we've got the two special colors that I did this month. So we've got 10 solids, all brights, hopefully fireworks brights. And then we did, if you saw our video that went along with making this batch for the giveaway, I showed making these in a casserole dish. So this is going to be a spotted one, right, from the giveaway, like this is all Dorr wool, D-O-R-R, Dorr wool. So nice quality wool. This is white, not natural, but white with like sort of fireworks colors that match the colors in the giveaway. So we've already got some marrying of colors going on. So a very bright white firework piece, and then a black piece with other colors in it. So a bright antique black, very bright antique black, with some pinks, some navies. You could use either side depending on what you're going for. But the black pieces are quite dark with other colors mixed in them. We did some casserole dyeing with that. So this is our giveaway for the month. This is more than one lot because again, it's 12 pieces that are 6 by 8 and 12 colors. So this is a charm square bundle. And what you need to do to enter the contest, same as last month, like, comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, all set. And then go to the link on this video that shows our Facebook page, which is our group page, and that is called Rug Hooking and Punch Needle Club of New England. You do not have to be from New England to participate, to join, to enter contests. You can be from anywhere. We will accept you. We will love having you. So like, comment, subscribe to this video, right, on YouTube, and then click on the link that's included to go to our Facebook page and write on the post on the Facebook page with this giveaway that you have done those things. So we know on our system that you have done those things, that we're promoting both our group page, which is growing, and our YouTube page, which is also growing. It's good to get together. So we're boosting both of those things up with these giveaways. Good luck to everybody. If you are seeing this video, it means that it has started. We will be posting this the morning after we shoot this video. It has started. It will run up to the days until the 4th of July, and we will be doing the drawing live on the morning of the 4th of July. So then you will find out if you are the lucky winner. And unlike last month when I was not as prepared, we made some extra bundles this month for people who are not lucky winners who would still like to have a bundle. We'll put those in our Shopify store. So like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, then click the link that brings you to our Facebook group page, Rug Hooking and Punch Needle Club of New England, and let us know that you did that and you are in. And we will be doing our drawing on the morning of the 4th of July. Happy 4th, everybody. Good luck, and we will see you soon.